did I do for the Palindrome dates assignment? First, let's run the code. And we will get a text file. It includes all the Palindrome dates in a text file. So what I did is I first wrote a get palindrome dates function, which will write palindrome dates in a file, and in it I had another function called get dates function, which is my second level function. In this function, I will get a palindrome dates and put them in a list. And in it, I also had my third level function called get string date function. So like this. Which will return this as a string format. So for the question, how did I iterate through the different dates? I wrote it in my getDates function. So first I wrote two lists, which is YY list and a day list. In YY list, I had a range from 2001 to 2001, and the day list I have a range from 1 to 29, and I will explain later why the range will be like this. So for the question 2 and 3, let me answer the third question first. So the logic behind the palindrome dates is because we only need to test them in the 21st century. So odd year will start either 20 or 21, and the reverse of them will be 02 or 12, which means we only need to test them in the February or December. Besides of that, because the year 20,000, the last two digits is 00 and the reversed of them will also be 00, and obviously there's no date is 00, so we in this so here we only need to list in the February. So that's why the range is 1 to 29, because we as a requirement we don't need to consider about leap year. And for the second question, how did I test if it's palindrome dates is also in my getDates function? So because we only need to focus on the February, so what we need to do is to check if the day is equal to the last digit, the reverse version of the last digit of the year. So I wrote this if statement, and if it's true, I will append this date to my list, to my date list.